Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. And in today's video I'm going to do a very simple decoupage piece for you. And I'm using this book, and this book's been put together by Miriam. And Miriam has a YouTube channel and it's called Miriam's Small Art. And this is the moss stories and background. And there's some lovely decoupage pieces, including words and sayings, birds and greenery, mushrooms, rocks. Lovely background there. Fairies, very cute. Winter scene. Absolutely beautiful. And she's got a set of books. I'm not sure how many she's got out, but I think she's got quite a few out. And I got this one from Amazon, and it's quite reasonably priced. So I've cut out some pieces from them. I'm just using some cardstock. And I'll be gluing the pieces onto the cardstock, as simple as that. And I'm going to be using some Mod Podge and a brush. So let's glue this piece down. Move that. Oh. Yeah, there you go. At the back there's some of the books that she has out. She has one on butterflies, fairies, fungi, fairies in bloom, whimsical houses, Christmas fairies, gnomes in winter, winter stories, whispers between the music notes. That sounds interesting. Whispers of fall, whispers of winter, frosted blooms, and Christmas edition. So there's quite a few there to choose from. So I'm just going to put the glue down. Oops. Piece of paper's trying to run away. And it is good quality decoupage paper. Of course, you can use this as a background to a piece of art. You can make cards. What else is there? Journals. Pockets. There's many things. I'm just going to place that down. I'm going to smooth that through. Doesn't look like I've got it straight, but that's fine. I can trim those pieces. And I've got some distress inks. And I think I've been using, let me see, what's it called? Fired Brick. And I have a brush. And what I'm going to do, because I've fussy cut out the pieces, we've got that white edge, and I want to disguise that. And all you have to do, just move that out of the way, get your ink, and you can either go on the sides like this, or just put it flat on and just use a similar colour to what's on the paper. And that just blend and disguise that white border. Especially with these intricate designs, it's so hard to cut right up to the piece. So it's very likely that you will have a white border. Let's do Mr. Birdie. And the little moss fairy. I mean, I could have used green down there. Or even if you've got a black ink and you just do it from the sides, that worked perfectly. Yeah. No, I'm happy with that. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is look at my pieces and see where I'd like to place them. And I do like when the pieces goes over the edge of the paper. It gives it a lot of character. It would be nice if I had some foam sticky back. I thought I did, but I couldn't find any and have that sort of 3D. Well, I went back into my stash and guess what? Yep, I found it. So I think I will use that on the mushroom. So we've got little man there, the little moss fairy. And maybe have the mushroom a little bit higher here. So I'm going to get some glue and glue this piece down. Oops. Okay. Let's see if we can place this down. Up in there. Oops. I'll just wipe my hands and get the glue off. Just making sure that it's stuck down well. I'm going to get my mushroom and I'm going to put some tape on the back. There. Have another bit there. Oops. And a strip down the middle there. just fits. And I'm just going to peel off the backing. I think I'll have the mushroom. Right there. And we've got a little birdie. I think I'll have him there. Sat on the window. Perfect. And I think it'd be nice to have a little saying. So I'm going to grab the book. Move this out of the way. Let's see what we've got. So if we bring our picture back, we've got Moss Whispers, Velvet Earth, Ancient Hush, Hidden Glow, Evergreen Magic, Wild Enchantment, Shadowed Pass, I don't think so, Mossy Haven, Whispered Myths, Tangled Wonder, and I think I'm gonna go with Drew Kiss Dreams. No, Wild Enchantment. So I'm gonna cut that out and come back. Okay, I've cut that out. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ink the edges using the same colour. And I think I'll have that up here. Wild Enchantment. Lovely. So what I'm going to do now is get my brush again and the ink. I'm just going around the edges. Try and disguise and blend in that white edge. What I'm going to do is just go in with my scissors and cut that bit off. Alright, I did cut some off the bottom too because there was just too much white showing for my liking. So I'm just going to go back with the brush and ink. And there we have it. It's very simple and it's so fun. And of course, you can make a card out of it. A lovely journal piece. Thank you for watching. Please give this a try. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.